There is someone listening to this right now who feels exhausted, not in the body, but in the soul. You've been strong for too long, you've waited too long, you've believed too long, you've carried too much, and maybe quietly in your heart you've wondered, "Ooh, God, am I still yours?" Today, Jesus answers that question with one sentence: "You are still mine." There was a man sitting alone in a quiet room, not angry, not rebellious, just tired of being strong, tired of waiting, tired of hoping, tired of praying and not seeing change. He whispered a simple prayer, "Lord, I'm tired." And in his spirit he felt a gentle truth: "Oh, you are still mine." Not because he was strong, not because he was faithful, not because he was perfect, but because he was chosen. Jesus said in Matthew, "Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." Not success, not easy life, not perfect answers. Rest for your mind, rest for your heart, rest for your soul. Jesus is not calling you when you're healed. He's calling you when you're tired, not when you're fixed, but when you're broken. Not when you're strong, but when you're weak. Come to me. Some of you feel forgotten. Some of you feel abandoned. Some of you feel invisible. Some of you feel like God is silent. But silence is not absence. Waiting is not rejection. Delay is not denial. God is working even when you can't see it. God is moving even when you can't feel it. God is present even when he feels far. And hear this truth: Jesus does not leave tired souls. He does not abandon broken hearts. He does not forget weary believers. Landy and not, you are still mine because you're strong, but you are still mine because I chose you. Because love doesn't leave, because grace doesn't quit, because mercy doesn't expire, because Jesus doesn't change his mind. Planja, when you feel lost, he is the way. When you feel weak, he is your strength. When you feel empty, he is your fullness. When you feel alone, he is with you. And when your heart feels tired of believing, Jesus says, you are still mine. So rest your soul. Release the pressure. Let go of the fear. Stop fighting alone. You don't have to be strong tonight. You don't have to pretend. You don't have to survive alone. Just receive this truth. Right? Still chosen, still loved, still held, still covered, still seen, still his, Jesus. Touch every weary soul listening. Restore their hope. Renew their strength. Heal their heart. Wrap them in your peace. Let them hear your voice clearly. You are still mine. Amen.